Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I had promised earlier, we are going to put up a new video on the Newton Raphson method again. It's Eliud. First of all, we just a recap of the previous lesson where we were looking at the Newton Raphson method and we found out that it is used to find the approximate root of fx equals to 0. I already noted that down. Hope you can see it. And in this video, I'll provide basic introduction to Newton's Raphson method. And as I think all of you know, it is used to solve numerical solutions. And it is an iterative process. And it always does converge to the root, and sometimes it does not. But in this example, it will converge to the root. Okay, as I hope you can all see, I have an example noted down there. We are being told use the Newton Raphson method to find the approximate root of the equation. That's x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals to 0. That's our main function. I hope all of you recall from the previous lesson, we have the main function, the derivative of the main function, all those, we will apply them in the Newton Raphson method. First of all, there is a formula, and in the first video hope you saw that formula, but I can still write it down. The formula is xn plus 1 equals to x1 minus fx. That's the main function. Those who don't remember, don't all remember x, yeah, x1. That's it. That's our formula. I told you earlier to remember this always. This is the general formula, and you will always use it. General formula, yeah, that's the general formula. And this general formula, we have the initial root, we have the main function, and we have the derivative of the main function. This is the derivative, this is the main function, and then this is our initial root, and this is the iterative process here. We can have the first, second, third iterative process. This is the iterative process. Yeah, that's the basic. You just have to know that. That's the basic ones. And I told you there are 3 steps when using the Newton Raphson method. First of all, you have to find the initial root. As I've told you, the initial root, you have to find it, and you have to find the main function and the derivative of the main function. After that, you have to go to the iterative process. Now I hope you are now all together there. Now let's start with this example. I have told you the steps that will follow. First of all, we have already been given our initial. Yeah, our initial root to be 0.5. Yeah, this is our initial root to be 0.5. And I suspect the behavior of the answer will be a positive one, not like the first example where we saw our root behaving in a negative manner. But here I suspect it will be a positive one. Well, let's find out and see. Okay, the main function, you are all aware of the main function there. That's the main function, which equals to x raised to power 3 plus 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals to 0. This is our main function. And then let's find the derivative to the main function. Our derivative, the main function, will be 3x squared plus 4x plus 3 will be as equals to 0. When finding using the Newton Raphson method, it equals to 0. Yeah, this is the main function, the derivative. In our formula, we have the derivative, the initial root. We are told it's 0.5. That's the initial root. That's the initial root, 0.5. Let's bear that in mind. And the iterative process. Now we will not go to the first, second, third iterative process. We'll just go direct to the first one. Okay, we substitute in our formula, it will equal to the initial root 0.5. Yeah, that's 0. It will be 0.5 minus the main root. We'll have to substitute 0.5 in the main function. This 0.5 substitute in the main function above, divided by the derivative of the main function. We'll also have to substitute 0.5 in our derivative above. Okay, now we can do that substitution together. It will be 0.5 minus, we go to the main function, 0.5 cubed plus 2 0.5 squared plus 3 0.5 minus 5. The main function is divided by the derivative. Don't forget that one. You bear that one in mind always. It's divided by the derivative. We also have to substitute 0.5 in our derivative above. It will be 3 0.5 squared plus 4 to 0.5 plus 3. Yeah, we have done substitutions. Now you can type this in the calculator for those who have it, and you can confirm with my calculator here. My calculator is telling me, wait, first I type, it will be 0.5 cubed. Yeah, according to my calculator, it will be 0.5 plus 2.875 divided by the denominator, which will be 0.75 plus 2 plus 3, which will be 5.75. Now you can also type this one in the calculator still, and it will be, this one will be result to 0.5. Now divide, this one will be 0.5 plus 0.5, and it will be 1. Now our targeted, our approximate root is 1. No, now therefore 1 is our root. It's actually our answer actually. Now, as I told you earlier, in the first example we saw the approximate root behaved in a negative manner, but in this example of ours here, we have seen the approximate root behaving in a positive manner. Now that's what I was telling you about, and this is our expected root. I think that's the end of our lesson, and I'd like you to like, subscribe and share. I'm here to help you. You also help me. Thank you.